I don't want to risk bringing anything from any other country down here to my house, to me. No, not now. I'm going to wait after coronavirus. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe. And you guys, in today's video, we're going to be filming YouTube video ideas while in quarantine. So guys, I know a lot of you have always wanted to start up a YouTube channel, but you just do not know how and when to get started. Okay guys, this is the perfect time to start up your channel because everyone is stuck at home right now. No one is going out, at least for now. No one is going to work, so you could just start up your channel by filming yourself with your phone and editing with your phone and just upload on YouTube, and that's your YouTube channel, that's your YouTube video. It's that simple. And if you're also a small YouTuber like myself, make sure to watch this video because it's really important that you see these YouTube video ideas to film while in quarantine. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First off, I would like to mention that these videos are regular videos you can film at home while quarantined, while in quarantine. I have about 29 of them. So the first one on my list is apps to download when you're bored at home. No doubt a lot of persons are actually bored at home right now, and if you know about apps that can keep people busy, you could do 10 apps to download when you're bored at home. I'm sure a lot of persons would want to watch that to see what to do to keep them busy while at home. Exercise to do while on quarantine, your home. So let's see what kind of workout you do at home. Skincare routine video. People love to see skincare videos. Anything that has to do with good skin. If you have a routine, let us know, guys. Netflix recommendation videos. Who else is a Netflix freak? Because I am, you guys. So if you know good movies on Netflix, you could just make a video telling us, suggest these videos, these Netflix videos to us, and I'd like to watch something like that. Yeah, I'm going to do these Netflix recommendation videos soon. Number 5, you could film a quarantine day in my life video, a quarantine day in my life vlog, sorry. 6, get ready with me for nothing. This is a very funny kind of video, but it's just you doing your makeup, styling your hair, getting dressed, look pink and show us. Yeah. 7, you could film who knows me better tag. This is the perfect time for this video because right now you have your complete family, so you could do a who knows me better tag video with your family. Number 8 is things to do when you're quarantining or when you're quarantined. I don't know. Online shop with me. You guys, if you're still shopping, okay, you could do online shop quarantine edition, but for me, I stopped shopping because I get my stuff from ASOS and AliExpress, and I don't want to risk bringing anything from any other country down here to my house, to me. No, not now. I'm going to wait after coronavirus. Number 10 is home photo shoot ideas, poses and best angles. Okay, so guys, no one is actually going out at this point. Everyone is home. If you're very good in photography, show us picture angles at home, like how to get very good pictures at home. Number 11 is room tour video. A lot of persons love to see room tour videos, including myself. Let's see what your room is like. Show us your room. I'm going to film this also. And 12 is house tour video. 13, clean with me while in quarantine. You could also film clean my closet with me, if that's okay, but I don't think I would want to film this. My lit quarantine playlist. You guys, let's know what kind of songs you're vibing to in this quarantine, because we're all bored and we need good music and good movies to keep us busy. Attempting to do Twitter trends. Is it Twitter? So this is basically just talking about stuff that are trending on Twitter. All know morning routine videos are like normal videos on YouTube, but what makes this different is because this is quarantine edition. We're not getting dressed to go out to work in the morning like every normal morning routine video. This is just something very different. So let's see what you've been doing every morning in this quarantine. TikTok makeup hacks, learning new TikTok dances, and trying to be TikTok famous. Yes, I think these TikTok videos are really doing great right now on YouTube in regards to views. So I'm thinking of trying this out, but I don't even have a TikTok account or an app yet, but I should try this out. Yeah. Why quarantine is a blessing in disguise. This is the last video I uploaded, so if you want to know more about this video, just check it out after this video. And 25, you could film story time video. People love interesting stories. If it's not interesting, save it, because I don't know. So if you have an interesting story to tell, just drop your camera and tell your story. Yeah. 26, unpopular opinion. 27, what it's like to self-quarantine. Okay, the quarantine videos, I'm talking about quarantine more because you guys, the words that are trending more right now is quarantine and coronavirus. Amazon favorites. Okay, this is filming your favorite products from Amazon. That's if you shop from Amazon. Get productive with me while in quarantine. Okay, so many persons are stuck at home not knowing what to do every single day. So if there's something you do to get productive every day, let us know. Bake with me, cook with me. Guys, if you know you're not a very good cook, I don't think you should try this, because nobody would want to see you cook trash on camera. Like, I'm just saying. Is on my iPhone XR, iPhone, I don't know, whatever iPhone you use, what's on your iPhone, let's know. And again, you could do reorganizing my bedroom with me, quarantine edition. You guys, if you can make a video changing your bed space, your television, or whatsoever, just videotape yourself, change your room. Here's the end of this video. If there are other video ideas you think I did not mention in this video, please comment down below. Let's know this video so that we'll also get to film this. Let's help each other, guys. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you subscribe. If you're also a new YouTuber, just comment new YouTuber and I'm going to subscribe to your channel and support you. So you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay cool.